1981 BMW 733i for sale. Asking $25,000. So it's in mint condition, 71,000 miles. And then what's so special about this is that it is a 733i automatic originally, but then the owner, the original owner is Keith Kruser. He's the one of the partners at KSK Distributing, which is Alpina USA. And then he bought this car new, and then he actually transformed this to with the different engine spec. So 745i has the turbo, 3.2 liter turbo, and then he installed the turbocharger into this car, and then he changed the transmission too. So this one has the Dogleg 5-speed manual instead of a 4-speed automatic. And then it was professionally done at the BMW dealer. And since he's Alpina, one of the owners, so he did a great job. So originally it's an inline 6 3.2 liters, 174 to 177 PS at 5,500 RPMs, and 188 to 196 foot-pounds of torque at 4,000. But then he put the turbo, so right now it has 252 horsepower at 4,900 and 280 foot-pounds of torque at 2,200, which is the same power with the 745. But it's not confirmed, so it could be more, it could be less. Anyways, let's take a look at the inside. It is very clean. The leather is original, all original. 1981. 46-year-old car, but then it's so clean. Oh, it's pretty roomy too. You cannot see any clean car like this. It's a solid thunk. If you want to come test drive it, then you're more than welcome to do so. There's a fire extinguisher. There's a sunroof. Everything's running correctly, but then the AC needs work. It needs to be done. I don't know what's wrong with the AC, but then the owner confirmed that. By the way, the owner is fifth owner. Confirmed the AC doesn't work, and then the passenger side rear window doesn't work. And then there's a suspension noise on the passenger side. So those are the only flaws. But then it's not really major. So 71,000 miles, asking $25,000. 1981 733i with the 745i engine spec, the 5-speed Dogleg transmission. Let me know.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Check. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.